Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I'm so happy to see you here today. Do you want to speak English more naturally when you travel? On this channel, stories become your teacher, and we practice with the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, then repeat after me, just like my shadow, copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English rather than translating. Today's story is called Boarding Pass Won't Load. Phone dying. It follows a common travel problem. The airline app won't open, the QR code won't load, and your battery is almost empty. You will practice calm, simple English for asking staff, finding a charger, and getting a printed pass. Relax, listen closely, and repeat each line with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Early confidence.
My name is Myra. I arrive at the airport 2 hours early. I already checked in on my phone. My boarding pass is in the airline app. I think everything is perfect today. I walk toward the check-in area.
A small sign.
My phone shows 9% battery. I tell myself it is enough. I open the airline app. The screen freezes and turns blank. A spinning circle does not stop. I feel a small whirring inside.
Try again.
I close the app and reopen it. The login screen appears slowly. The Wi-Fi signal is weak here. Mobile data is also slow. My battery drops to 7%. I take a deep breath. I look around for a charging area. I see a sign with a lightning bolt. Several people charge their phones there. I find one empty outlet. I plug in my cable with relief. My phone begins to charge.
The cable problem.
The battery rises to 8%, then stops. My cable is loose and old. It disconnects again and again. I hold it with my fingers. My hands start to shake. This will not work. Ask for help. I walk to an information desk. Excuse me, my phone is dying, I say. My boarding pass will not load. Is there a kiosk that can print it? The agent smiles and points left. Self-service. Row C, you can print.
The kiosk.
One choose print boarding pass. It asks for my booking code. The app still won't open. I try my last name and flight number. The machine searches for my ticket. It says, record not found.
Don't panic, confirm.
I check my email confirmation. I read the 6-letter booking code. I type it carefully on the screen. The kiosk finds my reservation now. It prints a crisp boarding pass. I exhale and thank the machine.
Security line.
I join the security line with my pass. The queue moves slowly but steady. I place my items in the tray. I walk through the scanner calmly. I collect my things on the other side. I look for a stronger charging SPO.
A kind stranger.
All outlets are full and busy. A traveler sees my 5% battery. He unplugs his power bank and smiles. You can borrow this, he says. I thank him for his kindness. I plug in and breathe again.
Check the gate.
I look at the departures screen. My flight shows gate E18. Boarding in 20 minutes, it says. I take a picture of the screen. Now I have the gate saved. I walk toward Concourse E.
The app still fails.
My phone climbs to 9% battery. I open the app again to be sure. It still spins without loading. I decide to stop fighting it. I hold my printed pass in my hand. Paper is my plane today.
At the gate,
I reach E18 and sit nearby. I keep the power bank connected. I set my phone to low power mode. I turn off Bluetooth and background apps. I drink some water and relax. Boarding will start soon.
final checks.
A soft announcement plays overhead. Pre-boarding now for families and assistants. I line up when my group is called. I hold passport and paper pass together. The scanner beeps green and accepts it. The agent says, "Have a good flight."
A second delay.
I walk down the jet bridge. The line stops for a moment. A crew member smiles and speaks. We are waiting for paperwork. People check their phones and sigh. I put my phone away to save power.
A quick fix.
The line begins to move again. I step into the plane slowly. I find my seat near the window. I thank the stranger and return the power bank. He nods and wishes me luck. I buckle my seat belt and rest.
What I learned.
I open my notebook for 2 minutes. I write 3 short lines. Screenshot the boarding pass after check-in. Carry a small, good cable and power bank. Know where to print a paper pass. Small steps prevent big stress.
A helpful script.
I practice one clear sentence. Excuse me, my phone is dying. Could you please print my boarding pass? I add one more request. Could you point me to a charging station? Simple. Polite words open doors.
Takeoff Calm.
The engines start with a soft hum. The plane moves away from the gate. Clouds float like slow ships outside. I close my eyes and breathe. The hard part is over now. I feel quiet and grateful.
After landing.
We land and roll to the terminal. I turn on my phone carefully. The battery shows 4% left. I follow the signs to baggage claim. I plan to buy a new cable today. Next trip will be smoother.
Great job. You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me today. Every sentence you spoke made your English stronger. Boarding pass won't load. Phone dying reminds us that travel problems can be solved with calm steps. Ask for a printer, find a charger, carry a good cable, and keep a paper backup when needed. Simple English and steady choices turn stress into confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to English Stories for Beginners for more shadowing practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Remember, one page, one story. One step, your English will grow. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.